Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 foods that will skyrocket your energy levels. If you're feeling tired all the time, you're not alone. Many people today are struggling with low energy levels. But there's good news, there are a number of foods that can help you boost your energy levels naturally. Here are 10 of the best. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide your body with sustained energy throughout the day. It's also a good source of fiber, which helps to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Bananas. Bananas are another great source of complex carbohydrates, as well as potassium, which is an essential mineral for muscle function. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, which can help to improve your overall health and energy levels. Yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of protein and calcium, which are both essential for energy production. It's also a good source of probiotics, which can help to improve your gut health. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats, which can help to boost your energy levels and keep you feeling full. Nuts. Nuts are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They're also a good source of magnesium, which is an essential mineral for energy production. Seeds. Seeds are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They're also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve energy levels and reduce fatigue. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine, which can help to boost your energy levels. It also contains antioxidants, which can help to improve your overall health. Water. It's important to stay hydrated throughout the day, as dehydration can lead to fatigue. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for good energy levels. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. If you're struggling with low energy levels, try incorporating these foods and tips into your daily routine. You may be surprised at how much of a difference they make. What are your favorite foods for boosting your energy levels? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more healthy eating tips and recipes.